Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture as well as adding one of those little borders that maybe you've seen your friends add to it. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, it's Audrey with Social Media 4, that's the number 4 beginners.com, where I teach you, the complete newbie or beginner, how to use the different social media sites so that you can stay connected to your family and friends. If this is your first time on the channel, why not hit the little subscribe button and then hit that little bell button, because that way you'll be notified every single time I upload one of these how-to videos. Okay, let's jump right in and let me show you a couple of different ways to update that profile picture. All right, so here we are on my home page, and in order to switch out and update that profile picture, simply go to your profile by clicking on your little icon up here to the top of your screen. Now what you'll do is you'll mouse over your profile picture, and where it says update, just simply click on that. Now you have three options here. You can either upload a photo, you can add a frame to the photo that you already have there, or you can even edit the thumbnail that you have right there as well. So I want to explain these different suggested photos because these are photos that Facebook has pulled from the photos that you've uploaded and is just suggesting, hey, do you want to make this a profile photo? Do you want to add a frame to your existing profile photo? These are all of your photos that you have. So you can choose from photos that you've previously uploaded to your profile. Here's photos of you. Now these are all photos that your friends on Facebook have uploaded and then tagged you in. So you can use that as a profile picture too. These are all of your cover photos, and then it just shows you kind of the albums that you have on your profile. So I've got all of my other profile pictures. So if I want to go back in time, you can choose that. These are albums, grandbabies, my timeline photos, and so on, okay? So let's say that I want to use one of these suggested photos, or actually let's do upload. So if you want to upload a photo, you would just simply click on that, and then you would choose the photo that you want to upload, okay? So let's just say I wanted to upload this photo. It's a cover photo, but it's okay. So what you'll notice is it shows you what is going to be seen. So anything within this circle is what people are going to see whenever you comment or you post or they come to your timeline, okay, in your profile. You can actually make this temporary, which means you can choose to just have it as a profile picture for an hour, a day, a week. Never is just leave it as my profile picture until I choose to change it. Or you can customize, you could just do it for the whole month of July or August or, Christmas time, December. All right. And then you can also go in here and make this larger, zoom in. Is that zooming in and then zooming out? And then you can also click on it and move it around and position it the way that you want it, just keeping in mind that everything within this little circle is what everybody's going to see. Once you have it exactly the way that you want it, you can click save, and then your profile photo is all saved. Now, I do want to remind you that your profile picture is always set to public. There is no way to change that to only your friends being able to view it. So keep that in mind for whatever you're uploading as your profile. It's going to be set to the public, and anybody that comes across your profile and views your profile picture can also comment on that. So keep that in mind, okay? So we're going to cancel that. And I'm just going to say leave this page. Okay, the next thing I want to show you real quick is how you can add one of those frames to your profile picture. And it really is as simple as clicking on one of these frames that you would like, or you could click see more, and you could just look at all of these different frames. So let's say if Christmas is coming, you can click on this frame and it'll put Merry Christmas on, on your profile picture. And then then you can zoom in, zoom out like you can on all of the other ones. You can set it, for a week, a day, never, custom, like you can do your profile picture, okay? And then if you wanted to also, you could change the picture right here to change it to a different photo that you have on there. So let's say you want to, change it. Right now I have it under blessed, but if I want to just have this photo and then Merry Christmas, I can do that as well. Okay, so that's a super simple to add the frame to your profile picture. So that is the way that you change out your profile picture, and keeping in mind that it is public. All right, if this video helped you in any way, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And for more video tutorials where I really go in depth and teach you all about Facebook, be sure to head over to socialmediaforbeginners.com and check out our Facebook for Beginners course over there. Okay, until next video, y'all be blessed. Bye.